To cite a web page, we generally begin with the web page's author. We will provide the author's last name, followed by a comma. We will then give the author's first name and end this section with a period. If the web page you are citing has two authors, its citation will look like this. Here, after the first author, we include a comma, the word and then provided the second author's name. Please note that the second author is presented first name and then last name. If we have an article with 3 or more authors, it will be formatted like this. After the initial author and comma, we will include the words et al., which means and others in Latin. Once we have provided our author information, we will then proceed to the web page title. Before providing the title of the web page, we will insert opening quotation marks. We will then provide the title of the web page, being sure to capitalize all nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. We then end the article title section with a period and closing quotes. It is important to note that there are many times when you may not be able to find an author for a web page. In that instance, we will begin the entry with the web page title, like this. After providing the title of the web page and its author, if it's available, we then provide the name of the website. The website's name is given in italics. Be sure to capitalize all nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs within this title. We then end this section with a comma. Next, we give the publication date of the page. If available, we should provide the day, month, and year that the web page was published. If the month is more than 4 letters long, abbreviate it. If you do not have the specific day or month a page was created, merely provide the information that you do have. For instance, if we could only find the year for this web page, we would merely insert 2019. If you cannot find any publication information, leave this section blank. For this source, however, all the information is given, so we do need to provide it. The publication date section then concludes with a comma. Next, we provide the URL for the web page. This URL is then followed by a period. Finally, we provide the access date. Type the word accessed, then give the day, month, and year that you accessed to the web page. If the month is more than 4 letters long, abbreviate it. We then end the citation with a period. By citing this information in this order, we make it easy for a reader to find and validate the information that we provide from web pages.